open it. Whee!
We have to cut very carefully. There is a line here and also here too. And we'll use this part for sushi. Rice, then ikura, the salmon roll,
Yoji,
and another salmon roll. I guess we have to mix. So it says A and then B, and that looks like nori. Yeah, that is. Oh, this is a soy sauce. Okay, and oh, tamago. Yellow is a tamago, egg, and maguro. Wow. Okay, and the spoon, and we will use this container to make things. So now this is the package that we will use, and this is a box, and the instruction is in the back. So this one says AB, and this is mizu, which is water, and it looks like making sushi. Then it's number 1. So I have to read the instructions. So we'll make, so number 1 is making rice. This is rice, and using this container part. So put the water inside until inside of the line.
More. That's it.
Okay.
I think it's okay now. So let's add rice powder here. Okay.
Okay,
This is
here
rice.
Here goes the rice.
Okay. Okay, let's mix.
You're supposed to do all of it?
It is too big. Kind of big. Come on, rice.
Oh, smells so sweet.
Rice. Everywhere, rice.
Okay, looks like the rice is almost done here.
Okay.
So this is rice. It's done, and so this is important. So this one will be the sushi plate, and so rice. This is a rice size, and this is nori. So this is how to make nori part, and using this area to make a size. So this is the size, sushi rice size. So we will use this side for making sushi. So number 2 is tamago. It's egg, and using this kind of rolling around left side to make tamago. Okay, so again the water is water first. There's a line inside. Add water. There's a line there.
Oops.
So now water is ready. So let's add the tamago egg powder. This is tamago powder, and let's add powder into the tamago section, and the water is there. Then let's mix.
Make sure it's all nicely mixed.
Okay, now it's mixed, and make it flat. Then just let's wait. Let's wait for 3 minutes, and it will be hard. Okay, now I just read this part. This water part, it says, please wash the spoon when it get dirty. So this is a place. So you could use it or you don't have to use it.
So there's 1, 2, 3, and I'll see 4.
Okay, this right side is maguro, tuna, and it's the same thing. Let's add water inside of line. So now water is ready. The water is in a line, and let's add maguro. Oh, it's a maguro color. It looks like tuna fish color. Okay, let's mix again. Okay, let's mix. And this one also, it takes 3 minutes to be hard. Okay, I think it's mixed well. Okay, now make it smoother. And let's wait for 3 minutes. Next, number 4 is nori, and we have to use this part. So let's make nori. So here is the instruction how to. So this is a nori, and how to make nori is here, and it says like stretch, and please use this part and try to match this size. Let's stretch a little bit and try to match this size. So if you want more than one nori, probably we should cut in half and make it thinner. Then we can make more than one. I think it is too how do you say, too thick? Too thick. So let's cut in half and make it smaller. Cut in half. Okay, here's the rice, and let's wrap it and making ikura. Okay, this is the fun part. So here's A and B. This one is for ikura, salmon roll, and we need 2 places. So let's add water to the line. There's a line inside again, and B too. And A is going here, A. Then B
Here.
is here. Let's add water to the A, to the line, and B too. So now water is ready. And let's add powder A to A tray. Okay, ikura A, powder going to A tray, and let's mix it. Okay, let's mix. Let's wash it here. Okay. Now, B, ikura B to B tray, and let's mix again. This is the fun part. So using this thing and let's drop B to A, and the height is about 1 inch, 3 centimeters, about 3 centimeters it says, close to 1 inch, and just slowly drop. Oh, looks like ikura. Okay. Oh, looks good. It's ikura. Ikura is ready. And this is ikura sushi.
Yay! 食べたい.
Let's try to make a corner and straight and using this spoon. Very close. I think it's good. It's really thin now. This is a half. It's good. Okay, nori is here, and the rice, and let's make. Okay. Looks good. How about here? Here is the maguro part. And let's make sushi. Actually, we will make chirashi too. This is how to make chirashi. It's a mixed one. So we cut just a little bit. Okay, last thing is shoyu. It's soy sauce color, and it says using #1 tray, and this red place said using about half water, so not full line, about half. Actually, we put just less some half. Let's see how much we need. Probably we need some more, but I don't want to do too much water, so just let's mix and see.
I'll show you.
And this is tamago here. It's becoming a sushi. Oh, this one looks good. So looks like soy sauce now. So now let's make a last part. Little bit left over, and a little bit chop the end. And let's make chirashi. This is a mixed one. Shows right here. Okay, let's make a chirashi now. This thing is really small, so it's difficult, but it's fun. And ikura. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, this is the chirashi and tamago. It's so small. Okay, this is the package. Looks nice, and this is a soy sauce. So we just made the soy sauce here. Okay, let's drip some soy sauce.
Yay!
It's done. Let's eat the sushi. Let's drip some soy sauce. It's done.
Let's do it. Eat.
Sour apple?
Sour apple みたいな感じ。
What's it taste like?
Bananas!
What do you think?
It's good. It tastes like bananas.